yours will get that big?
Yeah, it will actually.
I don't know. That's a pretty big goldfish. Wow.
Oh, it's soon enough we guys can use that big of a tank for the bite goldfish. It'll be in so much tank.
What do you see? Oh, axolotl right there.
There's a couple of them.
You're right. That's cool. Do you see any fish in there? Oh, they're over on the other side. It probably tells you what kind of fish it is on the side. Oh, there's a Santa. What? We don't let anything off the lease. No, we don't want to very, very shy. So if we had a chance to touch her already, maybe we could make some room for some of our other friends who haven't had a chance. Anything cool in here? What?
I can eat that big.
What do you see? Oh, I see him hiding there.
So
There he is.
This is what my tank would be like. But the 3 goldfish. What's that for?
Hey, how are you? You having a good day?
Oops, not.
Are you in there? What are you looking at? The fish? Whoa, that's the best thing ever, Claire. Would you like a little room like this?
Yeah.
That'd be relaxing.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna go out because I can't. My back is out.
There's people in there. You want to go see? That's so silly.
Sorry. Whoa. Claire, do you see the lionfish?
You can eat a lionfish.
Yeah, but you gotta watch out for their spikes, remember?
There's spikes right in the top and right down here.
Mm-hmm. They're very beautiful, though. This is my favorite spot in SeaLife. The big window. Did you really? That's cool. I don't know, actually. We still have the tunnel to go through, too. Do you see the turtle? Do you see the turtle? No, in here. I think the turtle's in here somewhere. Oh, I don't. Oh, there she is in the corner. She's probably taking a nap. cool.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. There's the other place where we see.
Yes, that's the other viewing area, you're right.
I ran back in there. Maybe you can see me.
Huh?
But someday what I want is like a big jaw for my fish tank.
That would be cool.
Fish gets
What'd you find? What is that?
oh, baby dog.
A flamingo. I see Owen. Oh, that's a good one. That's a nice tall one.
We need 2 quarters.
Here, you want to see the playground? It's in here.
Oh, I remember this. Wait, what? Oh, is this the Lego playground?
No. Remember this one? Okay. Here. Let's see. How do you get in there? How do you get in here? Oh, wow. Oh, yeah. Whoa. It's not gonna fit for you.
Here, don't we take you in?
Sure. All right. Owen's gonna take you in. Got it. Look for me down here.
Hey Clark, can you show us what these do? Hang on it. Good. Woohoo! Need to let go. Let's go up. Yep. Let's go.
Got a gift shop.
I want this for Christmas.
That is huge and awesome. All right, that's all from SeaLife. Next up, Legoland.
They're doing nice,